Hi, welcome back to this YouTube channel again. If it's your first time here, I'm Dabs. I'm excited to have you join me in this tutorial. I want to show you free awesome AI tool that will help you clone your voice, and then you can use it for your online project. It's just crazy the days we are in right now. We are in the days of AI. Everyone is using AI for one thing or the other. It's crazy the things that people do now with AI. People literally build multi-million, multi-billion dollar companies just using AI. And one of the things you can do with AI is for you to clone your own voice, and then you can use it for your own project. When it has to also now do with the surge in the AI marketplace, there are just a 1,000,001 AI out there, and literally it's looking like you will most definitely not find free AI tools there. Most AI tools are paid, so I've been able to search thoroughly into the marketplace to bring you three awesome AI that will literally help you clone your voice. You may not want to clone your voice, you may want to clone someone else's voice with permission, okay, for your next project. So let me just walk you through these tools briefly. The first one is fish.audio. Very funny name there, fish.audio, but it's a fantastic tool that can help you clone your voice. So just on their homepage here, you can see that you can do text to speech. There's a text here, and you can also do speech to text, text to speech, speech to text. That's amazing. You can switch between languages here, but I can see English here, Chinese, and I think this is Japanese. And then you can see that we can use Elon Musk, Donald Trump, and we can explore more in case we want to. But also here we have a place here for discovery of voices. So from here we would see the library of models they have. So you can see this is Donald Trump here. We have two of them. This one is a noise reduction. Also, there is a function here for us to preview this before we use it. So if we click on this, you can see that. I think that's Donald Trump here. So we can.
Nobody knows noise better than me.
You can see this one is a little bit more louder, and there. See, you see we have Snoop Dogg here. We have quite a number. We have Elon Musk here too as well. Quite a number of voice cloning that people have used this tool, so you can easily jump on any of them there to use for your project. Cartoon Network, you can see quite a number of things here. Fantastic stuff. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's just come to build voice. So from here, we can select the type. Is it public? Is it unlisted? Is it private? Definitely, you may want to leave this private. You don't want people to be able to have access to it. And then you want to put a cover to your voice. That's optional. If it's your voice, maybe you want to put your picture here. But by the way, it's optional. I can call it Dabs. Since it's mine, I can just say my voice clone, and then I can give it a tag if I want to. If you want to have good audio quality here, we would need to upgrade. And then input, we have two options. We can upload here a short audio clip, or you can just possibly just record yourself. I think that will be better for me right now. So let me stop this. Then I can play what I just said. Let's see. Hi,
Hi,
this is
this is
Daft.
Dobbs.
Welcome to.
Welcome.
Okay, so I think that's good enough. So it says minimum good. This is good. So now let's create my voice clone. Good. So now I have this here, and I think this is fantastic. So right now, I think we can test our voice to see exactly what it is here. There's a default text here that we can possibly test with. So let me just play this. Let's see exactly how this sound. Maybe this will sound just like me. Hey
Hey
everyone,
everyone,
welcome
welcome
back to
back
my
to my
channel.
channel.
Today
Today
I'm
I'm
going to
going to
show
show
you
you
this
this
amazing
amazing
AI
AI
tool
tool
that
that
helps
helps
create
create
realistic
realistic
avatars.
avatars.
I'm
I'm
already
already
excited to
excited to
test this
test this
out
out
with
with
you, and
you, and
we'll
we'll
go
go
through
through
everything
everything
step by
step by
step
step
in
in
this
this
tutorial.
tutorial.
Oh, wow, I think that did a pretty damn good job trying to clone my voice. I can see some resemblance in that voice, quite frankly. But again, I can still see these. I can still see this engine sound, this AI sound. It's not sounding like me in a way. It's sounding like me again in another way. I really don't know how to say that, but I can still check this again. Maybe I should add another text. If maybe I should just find random text. Let's check this dummy text generator. Okay, let me just copy this. Maybe something like this. Okay, so let's come back here. Let's just check this again. Welcome to Dummy Text Generator. This handy tool helps you create dummy text for all your layout needs. Uh, let's generate this. Let's see. Let's see again. Let's test this. Welcome to
Welcome
the
to the
Dummy
Dummy
Text
Text
Generator.
Generator.
This
This
handy
handy
tool
tool
helps you
helps you
create
create
dummy
dummy
text
text
for
for
all
all
your
your
layout
layout
needs.
needs.
Wow, this is crazy. I all want to believe that if I'm going paid, I should be able to get something way better than that. But that still comes out very funny because it gives a very subtle blend of my voice and also way out machine voice at the same time. It's just funny, but that's what I get here. So you can test this tool out and you can let me know your results in the comment section, right? So the next tool here that I'll be showing you is called organface.co. Yeah, it's a fantastic free platform again that would help you just clone your own voice. So here we can come to their spaces for us to start. So basically here too, you can come here and create a free account. I have a free account on all of these platforms. There is a lot of things happening here, but I think I can just type in clone and let me just limit this to clone. So I have a lot of spaces here that I can use to clone my voice, and you can experiment with a lot of them, but I think this one has 1.69k likes, so I want to believe this is widely used. So I will just want to stick with this. But in your case, you can experiment with a good number of spaces there. So I think I should just copy this all together. I want to just see what this is able to do. So I have my text here. I can just change this to full stop. And then here too, I can drop my audio here and possibly just even also record myself aloud this time. So now it says no microphone found. I don't know why it's saying that, but I want to believe it should be able to find my microphone. But now let me just record. Let's experiment. Hopefully this should work. All right, so let me play this. Let's see if this would. I think I have some space there before I started recording. Here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to have. Okay, I think this is good enough. So let's submit this. It says error. I don't know why that is, but again, let's submit again and let's see. So on my third try there, I can see that this is now processing. So in your case, if you're trying it, if you're seeing error, just hang in there. Try it the second, the third, or even maybe the fourth time, you should be able to get this to work. So now let's play this. Let's see what we have in output.
Welcome to the dummy text generator. Now, this handy tool helps you create dummy text for all your layout needs. We are gradually adding new functionality and we welcome your suggestions and feedback. Please feel free to send us any additional dummy texts.
Definitely, this isn't sounding anywhere close to my voice. I don't know. But what I heard there is not dApps. What I can do is maybe I try again. Let me see if I can just delete this text. But that is not dApps. Trust me, that's not sounding anything close to me there. Let me just
Hey, it's me, Dorothy, from the Wizard of Oz. Type whatever you'd like me to say.
that's a example of what has been done earlier, but it still gives that crazy vibe. Uh, I can just close this. Let me record myself again using this, and let's see what I'm able to get. Let me record. Okay, so I have another recording here. So let me play this. Hey, this is dApps. I hope you're good. Okay, so now let's submit this. Let's see what this is able to come up with. Oh, this says error again. So I can possibly just submit again. Just keep trying till we get the results that we want. Okay, so on the fourth time I have my audio here. So let's play this. Let's listen to the output.
Hey, it's me, Dorothy, from the Wizard of Oz. Type in whatever you'd like me to say.
Still weird, still the same result. I want to believe this is exactly um, how this AI is trained to simulate voices. So this is what I get. You can experiment with it too as well for you to see what you would get. But you be the judge which one is better. The first and the second one I tried right now, it's literally up to you basically. But again, please note here it says this spaces use XTTS underscored V2 model, non-commercial use only. So you want to make sure you're sticking to their terms of use. That's very, very important so that you don't get yourself in trouble. Very, very important. So finally, the other website I want you to check out is called Play.ht. For some unusual reasons, I'm not able to access this website without changing, using a VPN to change my address. So I believe if I refresh this right now, I might not be able to check it. Let me just turn on my VPN to the United States. So right now, you can just come to Play.ht2 as well. You can create a free account. I did that. I have a free account here, so I can just easily come here to create voice clone. So you can see here you have access to instant 30 seconds of audio is needed. If you want to go the high fidelity flawless result with 100% voice and accurate resemblance, you want to go pro. I want to believe it's the same thing for every of the platform, the same thing for Orgin Faces.co as well. If you're able to go pro, you should be able to have better results. But let's stick with instant. Default language is English language. Let's go next. Upload high quality audio sample or record yourself. I want to go the recording route. So now I need to start. So for 30 seconds, let me just try recording something random again. Allow. Oh, good. So I type in my name, dApps. This is mail, and then I hereby confirm that the consent, and I hereby confirm that I have the necessary right and consent to clone and use this voice. And then I hit the finish button, and then you can see this is cloning our voice cloned successfully. So now let's use it. So now we need to type in a text here. So let me just come back here. Maybe here, let's copy this. And let's come back here. Let's paste that here. Let's generate speech. Let's see what this is able to do. So it's saying that we should upgrade our plan to get faster generation. So in case you want more speed, go pro. A simple start. So I think my audio is ready. Let's play this to listen to what we have. Please feel free to send us any additional dummy text. Please feel free to send us any additional dummy text. Oh, this is the text that is reading. I thought it was the audio here. Oh, that's crazy. But that sounds so much like me. I think I like that. Uh, let me. Okay, I think this is not able to play every of that audio. Let me just copy something smaller. Maybe something like this. Let's place this. Okay. So now let's generate this page. Okay, this is done now. Let's play this.
This handy tool helps you create dummy text for all your layout needs.
Wow, that sounds more like me, and I love the fact that this has emotions built into that voice. I wish I would have had a longer audio, but I really don't want to keep playing around, wasting time on this tutorial. But you get the
This handy
idea.
tool helps you create dummy text for all your layout needs.
All right. That's beautiful. I think these tools are fantastic. They are not entirely free, they are freemium, but at least they give you a good free tier for you to experiment and for you to use. So for this one now, you can see I still have 12,337 characters left for me to use, and then I might need to upgrade. So that's it. I'm also experimenting with this tool. I'm finding them very, very fun. Um, you can also experiment with these and try it out and let me know your results in the comment section. I want to believe that you find it super, super amazing. That's my time for this tutorial. Do let me know your experience about using these in the video description, and subscribe to see more awesome tutorials like this from me. I'll see you in another one. I remain Dabs. Take care.